We have a fresh reaction coming in from a Congress leader saying that the BJP was apparently fully aware of this individual and his background, and yet he was given a ticket to contest. Aditi, if you can get us the details, please.
Yes, Amita, the Congress is not letting down its attack on the BJP as well as the JDS in questioning why the BJP is choosing to remain silent on the matter when so many women have accused JDS MP involving the sex scandal. Now over here is Soumya Reddy, the Congress candidate. She says the horrific case of sexual violence on thousands of women by a sitting MP who party is in alliance with the BJP. The BJP was fully aware, yet they gave the ticket. The BJP, which talks about Mangal Sutra of women, Mahila Samman, Nari Shakti, Beti Bachao, was silent even when this person was being given a ticket. While the BJP JDS were silent, the Women's Commission in the state took suo motu cognizance, issued a notice to the SP and asked the CM to constitute an SIT in this horrendous incident. While we have acted swiftly, the BJP JDS are still silent, which shows their true anti-woman DNA. Tejasvi Surya, she has also quoted him and said, she has also tagged him and said, "We are yet to hear from you. Speak up for your women in the state." Shobha BJP, she has tagged many BJP leaders and asking, what do you have to say about these sisters and daughters of our state who are accusing JDS MP, which the BJP is in alliance with?
All right, those questions that are now being raised, Imran, because we are not looking at just the Congress picking up the issue, we're looking at multiple opposition party leaders, especially women leaders, who have now raised the issue and are demanding action not just from the JDS but from the BJP as well.
Well, absolutely. That India Ally is now on a political season, and they have an issue now with them to hit back at BJP. And the BJP had cornered the Congress over the Neha's murders case in Karnataka. Now there is the crime itself is very heinous. There are hundreds of videos. Some say even around 2,000 videos are there of this videos of where the accused had made videos of him in sexual acts, and some say even some of those videos were used to blackmail women. Some say that that it was sexual assault and intimidation and rape case. Now out of which one such case has been reported. The Women's Commission has said that they have received several complaints, after which they forwarded the complaints to the Chief Minister, who after much deliberation has formed a special investigation team only for this particular case to fast track it and look into this issue. The three-member commission team has been formed in the special investigation team has been formed. Now the Congress has now targeting the BJP and
right.
Other opposition and I beg your pardon, the allied JDS to come clean on this issue, and in fact asking for disqualification of Prajwal Revanna and for a re-election.